Hey Lee, this is Scott, and I'm going to try to do a video to answer some of your questions in probably about 3 parts. And first thing I wanted to show you is, well, we're going to just scan this whole chamber here. And I built this chamber in 3 2-foot sections, and the diameter is 38 inches. And I did that so I could just move it anywhere I want to go. And this is on the 2nd floor of my house, so I just kind of rolled the things up the stairs and bolted them together. The first part we're going to look at is these angle rings. Now, the angle rings came from a company called RJ Sheet Metal, and they're 38 inches in diameter. They're approximately about $40 a piece. And Ray is the man that you want to talk to about that. His phone number is area code 503-231-7717. In between these angle rings, the metal here is 16 gauge cold roll, and they're welded on the inside of the rings. And if you're looking for a welder, you want to find a welder that is a MIG welder. It's wire. It just means it's a wire feed welder. And the minute I got a ring, I had a couple of missions to do. First of all, was go to the gasket company and get gaskets made. Now these are 3/16 neoprene gaskets. The second thing I did, I went to the laser cutter, and I'm going to show you these. Get down on my knees here and show you these feet. Now the feet are 24 inches wide and 3 inches high at each end. And when I had the angle ring and the laser cutter looked at it, he took the bolt pattern and diameter, and he also cut the bulkheads for each end. Now, what I had him do is, and if you notice the other bolt pattern, it's a little wider. This bolt pattern, I have an additional bolt hole in between 2 of the standard bolt holes, and the flange rings, I believe, are 3/16 inch thick steel. And what I found out is if I didn't put the additional bolt hole, I would get an air leak through here with this metal being 10 gauge. Anyway, he also cut out the opening at the same time, which is 24 by 24. So again, I'm just going to show you the bolt pattern that was here. A little wider bolt pattern. But at each end, the bulkheads have an additional bolt. And they're 7/16 by 1 inch bolt, washer on both sides, and really came up fast.